This inexpensive seat cushion. What I'm going to do is I'm going to push the stuffing inside, deep as I can get it. And I'm going to do that all the way around this corner, this rounded back corner. And you see this manufacturer's edge here. This is where they had it open in the back and they put the stuffing in initially. Then they sewed it shut. I'm going to, see that line of sewing? I'm going to continue it all the way around the corner and catch the tie right there at the back of the opening. And now I have a needle and thread. I'm just basting this. I'm going to pull it out later. I'm using contrasting color so you can see. I'm going to start at the corner. Just going to tack it like every inch so I can sew. I actually tried this without, with just using needles, and it's just too difficult. Tacking it twice in each spot. And like I said, I'm going to remove that. This is just to make the material controllable. These cushions aren't worth unsewing it all and removing the stuffing and putting it back after you fix it. Because like I said, they're inexpensive. Tie a knot here. I have my strap, my original strap, fold it in half. If you don't have the original strap, you can use like a single crochet chain or a ribbon or something, or a strap from anything. I'm going to put this in here toward the back. So I have that in pretty far, about an inch. I'm going to go ahead and just tack this in here so I don't have to worry about it coming out while I sew. So I stuffed the strap in there and I'm just tacking it. That's good enough. I'm just going to end that off. I'm not going to worry about making it permanent. Now, as I sew, I'm going to hold this closed. So this is a look at my stitch guide on my machine. Take a look at number 11. You see how the dot on top's to the left? That means this stitch is going to be slightly offset to the left. So I have my selector on number 11. This might help me keep from going off the edge of the material. Since my rip is quite extensive, I'm going to go ahead and close it up. See, it's sort of like a clamshell. Make sure the edges are folded in on itself. I'm going to go ahead and put just a couple stick pins in just to hold that gaping hole shut. So the basting I did higher up, that's to keep the weight of the stuffing from coming back to get us. I put it under there and I put the foot down and I try to make it so my stitching is going to line up on the original stitching. Now I'm going to reverse to reinforce the start. Just a couple stitches. Take a look at where the thread is in that hole. See, there's a little slot there, or look right there. You try to keep it at the same spot going in, and that helps you with the finished product. Go very slow so I can sort of readjust the pillow. Getting closer to my strap. Now, as soon as you'll hear the sound change, that means I'm on a thicker fabric. I'm going to reverse a couple times to make sure we don't have this same problem later on. There we go. A little thicker. Once more, backward. Take out my second needle. And now I'm just going to finish it up. And I'm going to continue on until it sort of rounds. I'm going to taper it off to the edge. First, I'm going to do a final reverse to reinforce the ending. Put it up. And there's my repair. That should hold. It's not super beautiful, but it is functional. I hope that's helpful. If this was helpful, please click on the like button.